Hi everybody, I'm continuing going around places around PNW. This time is Multnomah Falls. Alright everybody, for those of you who never been to Oregon, you get to see Multnomah Falls from here. But if you do ever come to Oregon, very on the highest recommendation place to visit. Very beautiful, lots of clean and fresh water, just beautiful. Look at this massive falls. There's like two parts to it. A lot of people here today. All right. Wow. Super nice. Wow. Look at this falls here. Just gorgeous. And all this is about 800 feet tall. And there is a path. You can actually climb there. As you can see, there's people over there watching. I think we might do it. We'll see. It's a really hot day today, 77 degrees. Not the best day to climb, but you can get to the top of the falls. And there is a deck that's almost above the falls. Can't really see it from here. But it takes about 40-45 minutes to walk up there. Close to an hour, depends how fast you walk. Anyway, hope you enjoy what you see. And I'll see you in the next upload. Look at that pool. Imagine jumping in the pool. That'd be a nice shower.